In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the account owner in Constant Contact. Before we begin, a quick note. You'll need to be signed in with the current owner account or an admin account that has permission to manage users. If you're not using one of those, you won't see the options you need. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account with the current owner or an authorized admin. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile name or the account menu icon there. This opens a drop down with links to key areas of your account. From that menu, choose Account Settings or User Settings. The exact label can vary slightly, but you're looking for the settings area where user roles, permissions, and ownership live. Inside settings, locate the section that controls account ownership and user management. It might be called account owner, users, or user management. The goal is to find the place where you can review who has access and what roles they hold. In that section, look for the option to assign or change the account owner. You should see a list of existing users and their roles. Select the person you want to designate as the new owner. Keep in mind, ownership is the highest level of access and often controls billing and overall permissions. So choose carefully. If you don't see a way to change ownership or if the option is grayed out, that means ownership transfer is restricted on your account. In that case, reach out to Constant Contact Support so they can enable or complete the transfer for you. They may verify account details before proceeding. When you're ready, confirm the change. Expect a confirmation prompt and possibly an email notification to the current and new owners. Review any notices on billing, campaign access, or compliance that appear, since ownership can affect those areas. Finally, make sure the new owner has access. Have them sign in and navigate to account settings to confirm they now see owner level controls. It's a good idea to verify they can access user management, billing, and key assets like contact lists and campaigns. If anything looks off, refresh the session by signing out and back in, or clear the browser cache. If the new owner still can't access what they need, contact support to confirm the transfer completed as expected. That's it. By logging in with the correct role, using the account menu to reach settings, locating user management, selecting the new owner or contacting support when needed, and confirming access, you'll complete a smooth and secure ownership change in Constant Contact.